IRS is going to love this work. It can easily be documented and shown. You can definitely show that the kid is able to do this work. Hi everyone, Payton Gillis here with REI Tax University, where we talk all things tax planning for real estate investors. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about hiring your kids within your business, and specifically some jobs that you can hire your kids to do. The first is content creation. So it could be social media management, it could be photography, videography. If you're at an event or you're speaking or you're just around the office and you have an 11, 12, 13, 14-year-old, however old they are, they can follow you around, they can video, they can create the content, they can edit the content, they can post it for you, they can get on and do the content creation with things like Canva, things and everything like that. They can do the social media management, uploading it, doing quick responses, liking, other things like that. These kids are very savvy, and that's a really good job for them, and one that you can actually pay them a pretty good wage to do. The second, and probably the most common that people think of, is the office/admin work and the assistant type work. Things like shredding and filing, cleaning the office. If you have company vehicles, cleaning company vehicles, running errands, mailing, and cleaning up emails, making sure they monitor your email. All those types of things are good jobs that kids can do within your office. A lot of those you can start with younger age kids as well and get them some pay to do. The next one is work that involves CRM work, so customer relation management, right? So things like updating phone numbers, updating client notes, making sure that everything's together, sending follow-up quick emails and things like that from the company. There's things soliciting reviews, but just staying connected with your customers and keeping everything together and track of that CRM system. I mean, younger children can do that, but as they get into those teenage years and they get a little bit more savvy and technical and smart with those things, they can definitely jump in and do some of that work. And then the last one, and the one that the IRS probably loves the most, is the dirty work. So the painting, the cleaning, the yard raking, the mowing, right? So projects, anything like that that you're doing, especially depending on that kid's age. I mean, they might be able to do a lot. If you're flipping, if you're doing anything like that, they can get in and do some of those projects. IRS is going to love this work. It can easily be documented and shown. You can definitely show that the kid is able to do this work. Younger kids, they might be opening things, they might be decorating, cleaning the house and stuff like that if you're doing rental properties, flips and things like that. So that's another key one, and of the 5, the IRS probably loves that one the most. So quick recap here, guys, of 5 top jobs that you can hire your kids in your business to do. With the content creation, there's 2, right? They can do photography and videography and actual content creation and editing there, or they can also do the social media management. So top 2 jobs there. They can do CRM work, customer relations management work, right? And they can do some of that work keeping up with your customers for you. They can do the office, the admin, the assistant type work. That's pretty easy, and some things they can start to do, especially younger. And then lastly, they can do the dirty work. So the painting, the cleaning, the yard work, all the stuff that comes along with when you're anything within your business, right? So if it's a rental, a flip business, there's a lot of that dirty work there, and they can do that. They just need to be willing to do it, and then actually do the job. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to find more content like this, if you have more questions on hiring your kids or other things, definitely like, subscribe here, follow us, go over to reitaxu.com if you want to consider joining the community and getting a lot more content like this.